back with the weather with Bibbidi Big Bob, Sibbity Tick Bob,
No.
Jackson Bo,
No.
Bo Jackson.
No. It's Bob Jackson.
Okay,
I hate this.
what do we have today for weather?
So,
Boob Jackson.
okay. So today, it's supposed to be very rainy. I don't think so, but I know what will happen. It's gonna rain shoes and hats. Now, people don't believe me, but I can prove it. Tonight we will look for the raining shoes and hats, and we will find the raining shoes and hats.
Very good observation, Mr. Crow.
Yes.
Later that
So
night.
it's gonna start to rain in approximately 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 5. It was a fast rain, but it certainly did get me soaked. Now it's Carl with sports.